how to get list of participants on Zoom. So if you want to get a list of participants on your Zoom, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with a browser. On your browser, you need to search for Zoom and go with zoom.com. Here you need to go with login, which will be in the top right, and click on the profile option, which will be in the top. Now you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with join a meeting, or you can also start a meeting, or just simply go with the meetings section. Now under meetings, if you have any meetings, like upcoming meetings, then you will have the option right here. You can just simply go and click on that meeting, and you'll be able to see the participants that are invited to join the meeting. Or you can just simply go with, now once you join the meeting, on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have a lot of options. Now if you want to get the list of participants, you need to just simply click on the participants section right here. Once you click on it, on the right side you will have the list of all of the participants on your Zoom. In my case, it's only me in the meeting, just for an example. But if you have a Zoom meeting, then you can go with the participant section here on the bottom left, and then you will have all of the participants' name right here. That's how you can get a list of participants on Zoom. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.